always order that shit online.
Yeah.
How many days it take you to get it?
I got it yesterday in the afternoon. So about 4 days.
4 days.
Or more, actually, because I ordered it like Friday. Last Friday. So yeah, it took about a week. What are you doing right now?
Vacuum off the adjusters.
Sweet. Oh, it looks so clean.
Furry, huh?
Yeah. That was not too bad. Is that your bike over there? The Stingray?
Yeah.
It's dope. What year is it?
I don't know. I just bought it today from the flea market.
Oh, I have to look it up then.
$60.
60, that's not a bad deal. It's kind of rusty, but like I've seen worse from Schwinn for more money than that.
Yeah. I got one of those motors for a bike. You know, the motors that you put on a bike. I got one.
You're gonna put it on there?
I got the kit, and it's 80 cc's.
Oh yeah, it'll be good.
Yeah, that's like a group.
Yeah, little boys in Miami,
Mopeds are only
they do
50.
that. Yeah, I mean mine's is only 50 cc's, so you'll be going about 30, 40 miles. Well, 40 miles.
Shit, I'd probably be going up 56 with an 80. Because you figure the mopeds do like 35.
Yeah,
30.
mine does about 30, 31, so not more than 30. Well, if you all adjust the timing while I'm not here, can you make sure it's not like revving too much on idle? Like if it's just like heating. I want to buy some backup rims because I feel like somebody will just pop them off one day. Seeing how you popped it off.
There was some guy selling some, they were Volkswagen rims and tires for $50 at the flea market down here.
What, when?
The one right here.
When?
He said it'll be there tomorrow.
I need to check
He
that
had to
out.
leave early today, but he said it'll be there tomorrow.
So is the flea market right there?
Yeah, flea market right here of Cleveland.
Of Cleveland?
Right here. You can't.
And what time do they close?
They're normally open till 5.
Alright, I'm gonna have my mom swing by there with me because that's something.
He said he had to leave early today, but he'll be there tomorrow.
For sure. So I can check those out.
Their tires were really good shape.
Oh, this is your second time. Is these doors, you know, going doors are such. I need to tell my mom. Oh my god, I would call her right now, but I'm filming.
$50. The tires were like new on there.
Each?
Too. No, for the whole set.
The whole set? Oh my god, I'm going there
They were
tomorrow.
Volkswagen too. They had the VW emblem stamped in the rim. I think they were aluminum rims too.
What? That's good. I need to get some weight off of this little fat. What am I gonna say? Shit like I know. I'm here thinking about I want to race my car when I'm done fixing it like 2 more inches.
I think that's keep going, right?
Nah, it's not gonna go in.